Question number 6. The ratio of the present ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5. At the time of the Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Her mother's age was 27 years. Then find the present ages of Abha and her mother. Present ages of Abha and her mother. Solution देखो. The ratio of the present ages of Abha and her mother. The ratio of the present ages of Abha and her mother, Abha and her mother is 2:5. Therefore, present ages of Abha. Therefore, present ages of Abha is equal to 2x year. Present age of Abha is 2x year. Present age of Abha is 2x year. And present age of her mother. Present age of her mother. Present age of her mother is 5x year. Present age of her mother is 5x year. At the time of Abha's birth, at the time of Abha's birth, at the time of Abha's birth, her mother is means at the time of Abha's birth, her mother age means when Abha is 2x years old. When Abha is 2x years old, at that time her mother age was 27 years. Her mother age was 27 years. Therefore, 5x minus 2x equal to 27. 5x minus 2x equal to 27 means 3x equal to 27. Therefore, x equal to 27 by 3 means x equal to 9. X equal to 9. Therefore, present age of Abha. Present age of Abha. 2x means 2 into 9. 18 years. 2 into 9. 18 years. And present age of her mother. Present age of her mother. That is present age of her mother 5x. 5 into 9. 45 years. Means present age of Abha 18 years and present age of her mother 45 years. Now question number 7. Question number 7. The present ages of Vatsala and Sara are 14 years and 10 years respectively. 14 years and 10 years respectively. So, after how many years will the ratio of their ages become 5:4? after how many years will the ratio of their ages become 5:4? तो पहले हम देखेंगे प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ वत्सला, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ वत्सला 14 years. Present age of Sarah, present age of Sarah 10 years. Present age of Sarah 10 years. Now, after how many years will the ratio of their ages? After X years. After X years, Vatsala's age. आफ्टर एक्स ईयर यानी एक साल के बाद, आज का एज है वत्सला का 14 ईयर, तो आफ्टर एक्स ईयर यानी एक साल बाद उसका एज हो जाएगा 14 प्लस एक्स ईयर, 14 प्लस एक्स ईयर, एंड आफ्टर एक्स ईयर सारा's एज, आज का उसका एज है 10 ईयर, आज का एज है 10 ईयर, तो एक साल के बाद यानी 10 प्लस एक्स एंड रेशियो ऑफ देयर एजेस आफ्टर एक्स ईयर, रेशियो ऑफ देयर एजेस is equal to 5:4. Ratio of their ages is equal to 5:4 by given condition. Ratio of their ages means Vatsala's age upon Sarah's age. So after X year, Vatsala's age 14 plus x upon 10 plus x, and the ratio will become 5:4. Therefore, by cross multiplication, 4 into 14 plus x is equal to 5 into 10 plus x. 4 into 14, 14 4 जा 56 plus 4x is equal to 5 10 50 plus 5x, 50 plus 5x. Now by transposing method 56 minus 50 is equal to 5x minus 4x. So 56 minus 50 6 और 5x minus 4x 8. Therefore x equal to 6. Means question is, after how many years will the ratio of their ages become 5:4? Therefore after 6 years, ratio of their ages will be 5:4. After 6 years, ratio of their ages will be 5:4. तो देखो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सारा 14 ईयर्स है और प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ वत्सला 14 ईयर्स है और प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सारा 10 ईयर्स है। तो आफ्टर एक्स ईयर उनका एज क्या होता है 14 प्लस एज। सपोज वी कंसिडर वत्सला का आज का एज 14 ईयर्स है, तो 4 साल के बाद उसका एज क्या होने वाला है 18 ईयर, मीन्स 14 प्लस 4। तो यहाँ पे क्या कंडीशन है, आफ्टर x ईयर, तो वत्सला से 14 प्लस x and Sarah says 10 plus 8, and ratio of their ages become 5:4 by given condition 14 plus x upon 10 plus x equal to 5 upon 4. Then by cross multiplication 4 into 14 plus x equal to 5 into 10 plus x, means 14 for the 56 plus 4 into x 4x is equal to 5 into 10 50 plus 5 into x 5x. Now by transposing method 56 minus 50 equal to 5x minus 4x, तो ये इधर आने से माइनस हो जाता है और ये इधर देने से माइनस हो जाता है, तो 56 minus 50 means 6 और 5x minus 4x x, therefore x equal to 6, means after 6 years ratio of their ages will be 5:4. Now question number 8. Question number 8 देखो, रेशियो ऑफ द प्रेजेंट एजेस ऑफ रेहाना एंड हर मदर क्या है, रेशियो ऑफ द प्रेजेंट एजेस ऑफ रेहाना एंड हर मदर is 2:7. Ratio of their ages are 2:7. Therefore, present age of Rehana, present age of Rehana 2x year, and present age of her mother, present age of her mother, present age of her mother is 7x year, present age of her mother is 7x year. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. What is the Rehana's present age? After 2 years, Rehana's present age. After 2 years, Rehana's age 2x plus 2 years, 2x plus 2 years, and her mother says 7x plus 2 years, 7x plus 2 years. Now ratio of their ages, ratio of their ages 1:3. Therefore, by given condition, 2x plus 2 upon 7x plus 2 is equal to 1:3. 1:3. By cross multiplication, 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 into 7x plus 2, means 3 into 2 6x plus 3 into 2 6 is equal to 1 into 7 7x plus 1 into 2 2. By transposing method, now by transposing 2 and 6x are transferred. Means 6 minus 2 is equal to 7x minus 6x. Therefore 4. X equal to 4. We have to find Rehana's present age. Therefore Rehana's present age is equal to Rehana's present age is equal to 2x, means 2 into 4, 8 years. Rehana's present age 8 years.